it is Rebecca Oberstadt here, and this video I'm technically filming for one person in particular, actually two. So if you see this and you think it's for you, you should know who you are. Then this is an introduction for you basically, as to the offer that was made on Saturday. For other people, I figured I would show you what it looks like in my house when it's what I would consider dirty. Also, I wanted to show the yard and stuff like that as well, because just because we were gone for about a week. I did some minor cleaning before we left. The house is kind of a disaster right now, but this is kind of what it looks like on an everyday basis. And we still have some stuff in the garage from us getting back from Florida, because bugs and nasty and ooh and smell, and so everything is still like left in the garage. All that I've done since we got back late Saturday night was laundry. So I'm going to show you the backyard, the front yard, and the state of the garage, and then we're going to do a really quick house walkthrough, because like I said, I made an offer to somebody on Saturday, and this video is for them specifically. But I also figured I don't post a whole lot on this channel anymore because I have the new channel, but I know that the person I'm speaking about knows of this channel, which is why I'm posting this here. I'm a pretty blunt person. I say what I mean and I mean what I say, and I don't offer something I don't mean. So there's that. I'm a pretty open book. Most people can ask me just about anything. So I'm going to show you the backyard really quick, and I'm going to give Jason back the camera. And we have more property than what's just fenced. There's plants I brought back from Florida. Do you want to be on this? No? The other half said he does not want to be on this. Plan on planting food stuff here. Got blueberries over there. That's one of the plants we dug out to take to Dad's house. My breast cancer awareness trash can. The front yard, and all of this road frontage is ours. All of this is ours. Half the trees over there are ours. And then here's the garage. Now we have stuff here from Florida, and of course trash was today. So then we've got all of this stuff that we took with us, and then my motorcycle and like boxes and stuff, because I built the cats a like tower thing kind of. And then a lot of this is like storage that I like stuff that I haven't gone through yet. But I wanted to share something. I think I can put my hands on it. When one of my daughters was really little and she had been taken from me, I bought this Tinkerbell coloring book set. So I still have, I found one the other day. It's with a puzzle Jason did. I don't know where we put it. I still have the artwork that she colored when she would come to visitation. So all of these like Disney pages were for her, just like the Disney Tinkerbell game that I bought her for the Nintendo DS. So anyways, I have a lot of this stuff that I still have to go through. So it has like letters and legal documents and court papers and stuff that I haven't had a chance to go through yet, to back up everything that I said in the other video. So this is my main transportation, but there's plenty of room in this garage for another vehicle. And we do have two cats. I will show you those in a minute, and I'm gonna give you the camera again. So we're gonna go into the kitchen first, and mind you, we went shopping today, so there's still, I cleaned the fridge out, so anything that was not technically edible in the fridge got put on the counter so it can go out to the compost pile. So this is the kitchen, this is the back door, the compost pile stuff that we put away, and then we just got back home from dropping the other vehicle off that we rented, so got some food stuff on the counter. I mean, normally it's not this trashed, but it's pretty trashed right now in here. Got the dining room that we really don't use as a dining room, to be honest. I mean, I go for cats. Laundry room has washer, dryer, cat food, litter boxes, a table that looks sad. And this is dirty, mind you. This is what I would consider dirty. Well, this is dirty to me, but snack counter. Jason's office. still in the works. Small movie collection, you know, small movies. A few bookshelves, some CDs, and the cat tower that I built for the cats, which is, I was gonna do a double decker of it, so that's why the boxes are still in the garage, because I plan on building onto that. And then like this closet has all like my motorcycle stuff in it, like my helmets and my gear and winter wear and stuff like that is in this closet. That closet just has like random stuff for video games or board games. So then we have my office and filming area. It's kind of a disaster right now because like I still have makeup and stuff to put away from the trip. Got 2 pallets in here already. The other 2 I haven't unpacked yet. So this is stuff that I recently listed on line for sale. I got more stuff to list online for sale. My work, you know, my computer and whatnot. I need to redo all of my desk since I am down a computer. That closet has like electronics in it and filming equipment and stuff like that. Then we have this extra bedroom that since we didn't have any extra people to stay in here, no need for a bed or anything. So I moved all my crafty stuff out of that room into this room. So the closet has craft stuff in it. I've got like I only have a couple of necklaces to get listed online for sale. Just a couple. So I've got sewing stuff in here and jewelry and body jewelry and my like packing station that all of this could easily be moved to make room for a bed and a dresser and whatnot. Probably still have clothes that somebody else can wear. We just bought new shower curtains today. I washed all of the outside shower curtains before we left. I have not put them back up yet. So I have a new shower curtain to go in here and the decorative one that's actually in there on the table to go back up into this shower. So that's that. This is the master. And because I like to sleep late, blackout curtain. So we have this monster. This is Bubby. The other one's under the bed. My grandmother made this. By the way, Michelle, this is Rhonda. Since you've always asked for pictures of proof, this is Rhonda, my monkey. My grandmother made her for me. I have slept with her since I was a kid. So this is basically our room, and then our bathroom is kind of a mess. Still have stuff on it to put away. I found this really awesome shower curtain that's like holographic. I don't even know if it's gonna show up on camera. I was like, when I saw it, because it's like sparkly and stuff and super pretty. So this is gonna go in this one, and then the clear one's gonna go in the other one. And even though it's washed, it's not hanging it back up. This is the decorative one for in here. But this is the master bath. And I mean, it's just us 2 here. 2 cats, 2 of us. Huge closet. I might have an issue with clothing. I have more clothing in the office closet as well. That's stuff I can't wear anymore. Because I put on some weight due to medications and stuff. But yeah, this is basically the house. This is what it looks like when it's technically dirty. You could probably still eat off my floors. And then we have the back porch. It's raining again. And some lettuce growing. Got my raised bed gardens back there. But a swing that we used to sit out when it was like not 100 degrees outside and enjoy our coffee in the morning and whatnot. But yeah, this is basically it. Pretty easy going person. I like to sleep late. I like to stay up all night. Jason works during the day, so there's that. So, but we stay up and play video games and whatnot. We watch movies and TV shows and put puzzles together and other nerdy stuff. I like to read. You have a mosquito trying to eat you? Go away, he's mine. Can't have him. Sounds like the neighbor's kids are home. What else should I add, dear? damn, it scared the hell out of me.
Pretty much it.
He honked and I jumped. But yeah, if you, I had this over this couch because it's ugly and so, but it was free. My friend Becky gave it to me, so it's comfortable. And you know, it's home. I don't have a whole lot. I'm still trying to put my life back together after somebody kind of set it on fire and blew it up. But I don't have a whole lot, but I'm willing to share with what I have with people that are in need. And I did make an offer to somebody on Saturday this past weekend, and it's up to them if they want to take me up on it or not, or even just come for a visit for a couple of days. That's fine too. But yeah, I don't think I've done a video like this on this channel since we did the live stream walkthrough where everybody's like, your house tour was too long. But it was a live stream. They wanted me to like cut the video down and shorten it or what. I was like, I'm filming this for me. What are you talking about? I don't give a crap what you think. So, we still don't have like a whole lot. And are there things I'd like to have? Yeah, but eventually we'll get them. I'm not worried about it right now. It's just stuff. We have everything that we need. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. We buy what we need when we need it. So, offer still stands if you like to take me up on it. Don't forget the other channel. I will leave that in the description box below. Have any questions, comments, whatever, leave them in the comment section. I'm gonna upload this directly from my phone as it is to YouTube, unedited. So there's that. Oh, and this is me, 100% no makeup, fresh out of the shower. And yeah, I will see you all later. Have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'm sure a lot of people that are gonna run into this video are gonna be absolutely confused by why I filmed it or what I was talking about, but the person that this video is intended for should understand. So anyways, I'll see you later. Bye.